Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to track the usage of your video on your landing page. So for this lesson, we're going to be using Chatbot Builder AI, Make, and Google Sheet. So let's get on with it. First, let's move this aside. So as soon as you log into your account on Chatbot Builder AI and created your bot, you will be redirected to the analytics page, so which is this page. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the landing page. So for that, we're going to flows, and on the flows we are going to add a flow. We can name this, let's say, my landing page. Continue. And then here, we don't necessarily need to use the message block. What we need is a landing page. So to add the landing page, you click the plus sign here, landing page, and we want to change the first step, the starting step, to be the landing page. And now that it is set to start, we can now delete this message block. So now we need to produce the code. So for that, we're gonna need the ChatGPT. So now we can bring in our prompt. So in our prompt, it says, generate a complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript snippet for a modern landing page that prominently features an embedded YouTube video in the here section. The page must include a bold headline, supporting subheadline with synthetic text, a responsive centered video embed, a contrasting CTA button, an appealing background with smooth animations, transitions, and minimal navigation elements. All code should be fully integrated with synthetic data to a clean, modern, and visually striking design. You can actually change this to however you want. So basically, we are just producing a simple landing page and without much features. But what you need to remember is that the code that ChatGPT should produce must be HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That's the most important. Okay, so now that we have our code, all we need to do is copy, and then let's go back to Chatbot Builder AI. We click on the landing page block, add content, code, and then here on this field, you can paste the code, and then publish. Okay, so now we want to see the preview of the landing page. So to do that, go up here, three dot, get published, add a new tab, paste, and go to that link. So here is our landing page. The ChatGPT just produced, since we did not tell ChatGPT the video link, it just produce random YouTube video, which as you can see in here. So what do we want to do here? So what we want to do is, when we play the video here, as the video is playing, we want to be able to track, you know, the time that it's running, and let's say 25%, 50%, 75%, or if they finish the video, or if we want to know if they change the video settings to higher resolution or lower resolution, and also if they change the speed of the play, whether they change it to a faster or a slower speed. So those are the things that we want to track. So how do we do that? So we want the information coming from our video, and we are going to pass it from our landing page going to make.com. From make, we are going to pull out the information and then pass the data here on the Google Sheet. So I already created the Google Sheet just to save time. So we will be getting the timestamp, user ID, event type, video ID, the current time, quality, playback, and if there's any error in the code, we should catch it. So those are the information that we want to track. So how do we produce the code? Again, we're gonna have to go back to ChatGPT. And then we are going to ask ChatGPT let's say I want to track the data or usage of the video and send it via mail using custom webhook. And then pass on the data to the Google Sheet. Okay, that should be enough. And the information that I want to pass on, or let's see, timestamp, user ID, event type, timestamp, user ID, event type. On the event type, we want to know if it's post, what do you call it? Start, post, 20, let's say 25%, 50%, 75%, within and then end. And so we don't need the 100% because that's end. And also, what else? I guess that's it. And also, what else do you want to track? Video ID, current time, video ID, current time, how long the video, how long has been played in hours, minutes, and seconds. And what else? We want to know the quality, playback rate, and the error code. So we need the webhook. So first, let's log into the make. Okay, now on make, we're going to go to scenarios. Let's put it here on test project. So what we're going to do is we are going to create a new scenario. Okay, so here on our new scenario, we are going to search for webhook, and we are going to select custom webhook. So okay, on the custom webhook, we are going to add, we'll put our webhook name, let's say my YouTube tracker, and then save. Okay, now this is the webhook that we need. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy it to our clipboard, and then we'll go back to ChatGPT, and then we're gonna tell ChatGPT, here is the webhook. I'm just gonna delete the webhook after the tutorial video. Okay, so timestamp, user ID, event type, video ID, current time, quality, playback rate, error code. Okay, let's see. We are going to copy the code, and then let's go back to our to Chatbot Builder AI. Go to our landing page, and we are going to replace this code. Control A, delete, Control V, and now we are going to hit publish. Okay, now let's go to the preview of our landing page. What we're going to do is reload this page. Okay, right now, if we play this, we're not gonna, if we play this now, we don't see anything here yet. It's because we have not connected our make to um, the video. We have to test it first, okay? And now what we're going to do is say let's see, we are going to so immediately as the data arrive, and let's see if it's able to track anything. Okay, the information went through. You can see you have the timestamp and the video ID, current time. So it's all coming through, it's piling in. So now we are going to connect the make to the to our Google Sheet. So what we can do here is going to add a module, Google Sheet. On the Google Sheet, we will add a row, and here we are going to add a connection. I'll just use the one that I already had. That's already an account. So once you connect your Google Sheet, and let's see if I need to, if I could just add so I could show you. Let's just say, what's this? YouTube tracker. Sign in with Google. Continue. Allow. Okay, so that's now connected to my Google account. So now that I have the Google account, I can now access my Google Drive. So Google Drive, I'm going to click here for that. We're going to find the spreadsheet. So demo, my YouTube video. So my YouTube video tracker. So sheet number 1. Okay, so sheet number 1, the title of the Google Sheet is my YouTube tracker. Here's my YouTube tracker, and we are in the sheet number 1. This is where we want the data to go. Okay, and now that we have this information, we can now click the timestamp, user ID, event type, video ID, current time, quality, playback rate, and error code. So now that we're able to map everything, that all the columns that we need the information to send, and now we can save it. So let's see. Now, okay, we save it. What we're going to do is, let's see if it works. So what we're going to do is, let's play it once. And now it's waiting for the data, right? So now we play it. You see all the information getting through. They're all, both of them are firing. And let's see. As you can see, while the video is playing, you can see that it's tracking. However, it's only start, so we need to change something. I want, it's tracking, yes, but on the event type, we want it to be like I want it to show us how far it's been played. So let me pause it. Okay, the information that we got is the timestamp, user ID, event. Like I said, it's only the start. What we want is, we want it to continuously track it. So how do we do that? What we can do is ask ChatGPT. So we can tell ChatGPT, okay, the data is getting through, and being saved, getting through, make, and then being saved in the Google Sheet. However, what do we need? The on the event type, on the event type, I want the video to be continuously tracked and provide me the information when the video start, if it is paused, when it is played at 25%, 50%, 75%, and is finished playing. So let's see. Okay, so now we have the revised data, and let's go back to Chatbot Builder AI. Let's replace the code, publish, refresh the page, and you know what, I think it's easier if we turn this on. Let me see. Let's see. Save changes. Okay, we turn it on. Let's see if once we played, if the data will get through. So let's play it. See, so it started. Then let's see once it reach. Let's pause it. Pause. Okay. See, now we pause it, it continuously track it. So let's see, around 25% should be here. So let's play it again. Fast forward a little bit. Now it passed 25%. And now let's change the settings. Let's see playback speed. Let's change it to 1.5. Did it change? The playback rate did not change. Change it to, no, it did not change. So the playback is not working. Oh, it's able to track. Okay. Probably this is in whole number. Let's see if we can change the format. Number, let's put decimal. Number, how do we get the point to here? Maybe this one? No. So it's only tracking 1 or 2. It doesn't track anything in between. So how about if we change the quality? 720. Okay, the quality it's tracking. So what we can do on the playback rate, so here it says end, so it finished the video. So on the, we can update the playback rate. We can ask ChatGPT, the playback rate only shows 1 or 2. It to track up to 1 decimal point. Sample 1.1, 1.3, 1.8. Playback formatting player. Okay, let's see if it's now able to change it. Copy, go back to the chatbot builder. Control A. Publish. Refresh the page. Let's go back here. Let's see. Let's play it again. Okay, it started. And let's change the playback speed 1.25. Why is it not tracking 1.25? 1.75. So it reached the 25%. Okay, 1.8. Why did it put 1.8? It's so it rounded up. So 1.75. So now it's showing 1.8 here. So let's change this to 2. Oh yeah, I asked it for only 1 decimal digit. That's why it put 1.8 instead of 1.75. So anyway, yeah, so it's working now. Now it reached 50%. Let's pause it. Now it's paused. Yeah, it's working. Right. So there you go. Now you can track your video on your landing page and get the information on your Google Sheet. If you'd like to have the Google Sheets template and also the code that I use in the tutorials, you can grab them for free by joining our free school community, AI Accelerator Hub. When you join our free community, you'll be able to access all my YouTube tutorials, including the materials that I use. You'll also be able to access the tutorials that are only exclusively posted in our AI Accelerator Hub community. You will also be able to chat or ask questions from me or anyone in the community regarding any of the tutorials. If you'd like the video, please consider liking and subscribing, and also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified the next time we have a video. This is Ren Eribe. See you on the next video.